Hi teacher, my name is Sebastian Enrique. Sebastian My last name Garcia Botero. Garcia I am 17 years old. My occupation is study in telecommunication engineering at the University of Antioquia. My phone number is 311 749 6682. I live El Peñol. My birthday is May 31. My email address is sebas.6056 at hotmail.com. sebas.6056 at hotmail.com. My interest is reading motorbike. I like football. I like the animals. I have one sister. Her name is Marisol. Marisol. This is my friend Daniel Murillo. He studied telecommunication engineering at the University of Antioquia. Bye.